Hi friends, do you know my brother is a little author and he wrote this book. The book name is Earth Non Beautiful. It has so many pages and
Colorful.
because of writing it, now my brother got a medal and my brother is going to open it now.
Hello
Open it,
friends.
Shunu.
Should we open the book? Should we open the medal? Should we open the medal? Let's open it. The Bribooks logo. Let's open it.
Go ahead, Shunu.
A silver star.
Wow, let's take it out.
This is awesome. Look at this.
He got a
friends.
medal.
This is a silver star. I got second place in the entire state. This book, Earth Non Beautiful, got this medal. I got 18 purchases on my book. This book is awesome. You should also buy my book. It is in the link down in the description. Thank you. Bye bye.